Howdy folks, Corky Duke here. Bomber Crew is the game and BA's van is the name of the bomber, and this is going to be the last mission. Hopefully they succeed, which we should be able to. But anyway, let's head to the briefing room and we're going to do Operation Avalanche, the very last mission in this game and campaign. So there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, today you are participating in Operation Avalanche. Crazy fool! I ain't getting on no plane. Give him his milk. I ain't drinking no milk. Come on, BA, you love your milk. Well, actually, you know, we don't want to pass out because he needs to operate the tail guns. So. Well, what a interesting and funny concept of that TV show, though. The toughest guy in the unit is scared to fly, so the pilot's crazy, of course, and that makes the pilot being crazy even better and more funny. So, but anyway. So we're gonna just stay at mid-altitude. Right when we get about this area, we're gonna head up to high altitude because we have the Daisy rockets again. They have to be fired from high altitude, so we definitely have to be at high altitude for them to work. So. Oh, jump us tonight! Look at that. Bad dream, he's gone. Alrighty. Go ahead and head into that target area. I think it's just really cool the way gaming has been advanced and has grown. Because I remember Pong. Everybody that's my age remembers Pong, the two little sticks that shot the ball back and forth. I mean, no graphics. It was just two sticks moving up and down. And the shot in it. You banged the ball and bounced it kind of like tennis. But it was, I mean, we'd play it for hours. It was the funniest. It was great. We loved it. Yet it was so simple. And nothing compared to the games they've got today. We got, you know, games that look real. I saw some of those sports games. I think it was a basketball game I saw, and I was like, I couldn't honestly tell if it was a real basketball game or if it was a game. I mean, the graphics were that good. I mean, it's amazing what we've been able to do in just a short period of time. Really, it's only been what Pong was probably about 40 years ago, maybe. I think so. Late 70s, I think, when we were playing Pong. That sounds about right. Animal's still on the right side. I don't think he's going to engage. I think he's going to disengage. Alright. Wow. Look at the cloud. We're at mid-altitude. Look at the clouds. And the lightning. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, we're at the beachhead. We're going to wait a little bit longer to start ascending and get to a high altitude. Look at this. He lasted all of 2 seconds. A little World War I biplane. Yeah, not a good idea. Don't send him at us. Unless you just want to create a pile of a wrecked airplane. These guys are probably going to be a little bit more serious, I'm sure. So we'll get Hannibal to the other side. And it's time to start descending to high altitude too. Should have been leaning out some fuel all this time. Unbelievable. Alrighty. We don't need that. Not our target. Yeah, there. Alrighty. Where's the target at? There it is. Those are comets. Baseman needs to go to sick bay. Alrighty. Crap, got a fuel leak. Ah, crap. Alrighty. We're gonna have to drop down. We gotta get Face Man out of sick bay. We're gonna need him on the guns. Alrighty. Give us the navigation point. There we go. Good. Already cleared the area of enemies. That's a good start. Now we're going to have to seriously lean out some fuel. So we just got to find that carrier. And get these guys to sick bay. Start with Ray. We'll get Tanya up there to heal Steven. Alrighty. Now we're almost at our ceiling. The next thing we got to do is sink that carrier, and then we can go home. And that fuel leak's going to be a problem. It's over with now. The left wing port side tank has got a full fuel. It was full, but still. We're going to definitely have fuel problems. Alrighty. We still got to keep going to get to the area where that carrier is. That's our next target. I'm just going to leave them there for right now. The left tank 1 is full. The right tank is empty. Yeah. Right in that area is where that carrier is. That's not good. Alright, guys. Alright. Okay. Now, where's this carrier at? Can't see any damn thing. Where's this carrier at? Gotta go back. Damn it. Really running low on fuel. Alrighty, now where's this? Okay, we're heading in the right area. We gotta get up to high altitude. There it is. You've got to get up there. Couldn't see it at high altitude. We completely overshot it. Alright, what about at high altitude? Alright, high altitude. That should do it. Missed it. Crap, we missed it. Crap. I missed it. Damn it. Crap. Now we gotta run this mission again. Crap. Should have enough fuel to get back home. Got 1 or 2 leans left. So. Alrighty. Well, my apologies. But hey, I'm only human. So, I thought I had a good... I thought I saw it. I thought I had a good sight on it, but apparently I missed it. No, apparently I did miss it. Oh, Hannibal! Now we gotta do this mission again! Yeah, sorry, BA. Oh well. We will make it home. Our landing gear's in good shape, so we don't have to crash land. And we didn't even get the photo opportunity over the target either. Damn it. Not going to harass us for the rest of the trip home? Yep, I spoke too soon. Of course they're gonna. Yeah, we're almost home. So we can come down. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh well. Just run the mission again. Anyway, 9 minutes, plenty of fuel. Plenty of fuel left. So we're going to be all right landing. And both landing gears intact. And there's the runway. We're going to tag it. We're going to land. And we're going to have to do this mission again. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. Ah. Especially because my eyesight is getting worse. So it is difficult for me to see that. You got to look for the little strip of the carrier, and it's actually hard to see. You got clouds, and then of course you got fighters coming in. It provides a nice little distraction, I guess. And the game designers probably did that on purpose. They didn't want to make it too easy, I'm sure. So. We're going to get any money at all? Probably not. No, we didn't get anything. Alrighty. I'm Corky Duke. CorkyDuke.com is my website. Like, comment, share my videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's brand new, so I need subscribers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you for the next time when we will complete the next mission and end this campaign. But thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.